Don't know how I quite managed it, but I did, and I have booked a return ticket to New Zealand, leaving at 1:45 AM tomorrow morning and arriving back in the afternoon in Auckland at about 2 PM. So thankfully I was able to use my existing flight credit to rebook, and I guess I'll try and go through the insurance company, because I do always get travel insurance on my flights, and hopefully I can get that money back eventually that I lost from those 2 flights that I missed. Man, I'm getting good at missing flights, so I've tried to ensure that there's enough time for me to get through the domestic terminals and to the international terminal tomorrow morning, so I don't miss my flight from Sydney to Auckland. Everything should be fine. And pre-booked a taxi as well tonight, so I can check in time, so I don't have to worry about that and missing my first flight. And I will be back in New Zealand by tomorrow afternoon, where I don't have to worry about any of these logistical problems anymore. So I'm just heading back to the hotel now, and I'll probably just sleep the rest of the day. Just sitting next to the pool area at the moment. It's a bit overcast, well, light. The sun hasn't come around for the pool yet, but maybe I'll go for a swim later, I'm not sure. So yeah, it's just a waiting game now. I just picked up some vegetarian food for breakfast. So I'm starting to feel slightly more relaxed. Gate 55.
Traveling to Auckland with Qantas 143. Qantas, Auckland 143. There's the gate change. Gate 63.
Yeah, there's a gate change. Not gonna move. Yeah, just a quick gate change to keep us on our toes, but I don't think I can screw this up now. I'm not gonna miss this next flight. So I'll be back in Auckland in 3 hours flying time. Can't miss this flight.